Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make creamy chicken and spinach crepes. So let's get started. For my crepe batter, I've got here 2 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of full cream milk, 2 eggs, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And for my crepe filling, I've got here 1 kilo of boneless chicken, some oil for cooking, 250 grams of frozen spinach or you can use fresh spinach, 4 cloves of grated garlic, salt to taste and 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. For my cheese sauce, I've got here 4 cups of full cream milk, 2 cups of grated tasty cheese or you can use any cheese of your choice, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of plain flour, salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To make the crepe batter, take a jug or a dish, add eggs and beat it well using a whisk. Add milk and water and give it a mix and put it aside. Take a big dish, add flour and salt and give it a mix. Make a well in the center, add small amounts of the egg mixture and mix it well to combine after each addition using a whisk until the batter is smooth. Add melted butter and mix it well. Strain the batter using a strainer to remove any lumps and press any lumps through using a spatula. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge while we get the crepe filling and the cheese sauce ready. To make the crepe filling, place a non-stick pan on high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add half of the garlic, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add half of the chicken and half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and any liquid that comes out of the chicken is dry and the oil becomes clear again. Take it out on a plate. Add 1 more teaspoon of oil and repeat this process with the remaining chicken. Add green onions, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Take it out and put it in the plate with the chicken. Add spinach and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Take it out and put it in the plate with the chicken. To make the cheese sauce, place a large pot on medium heat. Add butter and heat it until the butter has melted. Add flour. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute, stirring it continuously. Turn the heat off, add about 1 cup of milk and mix it well using a whisk until smooth. Add the remaining milk and mix it well to combine. Put the heat back on medium and bring it to a boil, stirring it continuously. Add cheese and mix it well using a spatula. Add pepper and give it a mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it again. Add cooked chicken and spinach. Give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off, cover it and put it aside while we get the crepes ready. Take the crepe batter out of the fridge, give it a mix, put the plastic wrap back on and let it come to room temperature for 10 minutes. You will also need a non-stick cooking spray or you can use some oil with a pastry brush. Place a pancake pan or a non-stick pan on medium heat and heat it. Lightly spread the pan with some cooking spray or brush some oil using a pastry brush. Take the pan away from the heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of the crepe batter. Turn the pan around to spread the batter evenly and cook it until the top is dry. Move the pan back and forth. If the crepe moves, it means that it is time to turn it over. Cook it for 1 minute. Take it out on a plate and repeat this process. I have finished making up all my crepes. Let me dish it out and show you. My creamy chicken and spinach crepes are ready and you can make this and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.